Hello everyone, welcome to Elementor Pro series. In this series, I will explain about all Elementor Pro widgets. Not only that, I will show you how easily you can create really cool options using those Pro widgets. In this tutorial, I will show you everything about pricing list widget. Also, we will create those cool sections using this awesome widget. I'm Fahd Ahmed with you, the instructor. Let's get started. By the way, if you don't have Elementor Pro, you can get that from the link in the description. And trust me, if you don't have Elementor Pro, you will be missing out on a lot of things. And as you're learning Elementor Pro from me, I also have a special gift for you. So check out the description. Alright, so this is the price list widget. Let's first have a look what options we have for this widget. At first, we will drag it to here. Okay, so this is our price list. At the content, you will see the 3 items. We can edit item or we can delete item by clicking the cross icon like this. Okay, in this price list, we have a title, we have a description, and the right side we have a price. Let's see what we have in this list. Here is the price. We can set our price from here like 120. Here is the title. We can change it like this. Here is the text. This text. We can add image here like this one. Okay, I'm going to remove the image for now. Here is the link option. You can add any link from here, or you can add any link by dynamically by clicking this icon. Okay, now we will close this one and we will delete this, and let's duplicate this one. The title will say second item, and we will change the price here 220. Okay, now duplicate it again and click this. We will change the title and we will also change the price. Okay, now go to the style. At first we will see the title and the price. Here is the color. You can change the color from here like red, green or yellow. I'm choosing the green one. Okay, here is the typography. We can change the font size and we can change the other things from here. Okay, now here is the description. We can change the color of the description from here. Okay, now here is the typography of the font. We can change the size of the font. Okay, now here is the separator style dotted here. This one we can change it like dashed, this type, double, this one, and none. It will be the blank. I'm keeping it the dashed one. Here is the weight. You can change it like this one or this. Okay, here is the spacing between the price and the title. I'm keeping it 15. Here is the color. You can select a color of the separator like this. Okay, here is an image option. We didn't added any image here, so we can leave it now. Here is the item. Here is the row gap between those items, and here is the vertical align option. We can add an image here so that we can understand this one. Okay, now go to the style. We can change the image size from here 300 by 300, this one. Okay, now go to the item. We can change it to center or bottom or top. Okay, this way. Cool, now let's create a few cool sections using this widget, so you would get a better idea how to use this widget in real life. And before moving forward, make sure you like this video and subscribe into this YouTube channel. Otherwise, you may don't find those valuable videos on your home feed next time. So make sure you have liked this video and subscribe into this channel. Now let's create. At first we will delete this one. Now we will go to the top and we will copy the heading from here and we will paste the heading here. Okay, we will change the text, the pricing list. Okay, now we'll go to the element, we will drag it to here, we will delete these two items. Now we will change the text. Okay, now let's change the description and we will change the price $39. We can duplicate it. Now change the title, change the description, the price will be $29, and we will duplicate this one and we will drag it to the bottom. Okay, now we will go to the element and we will take an inner section here. Okay, we will drag this one into the inner section. Now we will edit this one. The price and the title color will be this. Go to the typography, font weight 700, font size little bit larger like 24. Okay, now the description, the color will be this one. Okay, now we'll go to the typography, font size 16, letter spacing maybe 2 or 1. Now the separator color, this one. Now the image one, we didn't use any image here, so I'm leaving it for now. Go to the item, I can increase the row gap here. Okay, now I will copy this one and paste it to here. This way we can create a price list. Now duplicate this one and delete this one and this one. Now we will go to the element and we will drag the price list here. Okay, let's delete those items. From here we will select an image, this one. Okay, I will change the title from here, t-shirt 1, the price will be 120. Let's change the description here. I will make the area large. Okay, from here you can see the product size. We want to make this bold. How can we do this? We can add a HTML tag here, B, and after this we will add a / then B. Then our product size will be bold. Now we want a line break after the product description. Here it is. How can we add this? We will click here and press enter and go to here. We will write /br and again /br. Now the text in the next line, then we will make it bold. Here is the product URL. We will also make it bold. We will add this break here. We will add a link here. For now I am typing here www.yoururl.com. Now we will go to the style tab. Here is the price. We will change the color. Okay, from the typography we will change the font size font weight 900, text transform uppercase, and we will add some letter spacing here, 1 pixel. Okay, now we will change the separator color into this one, and the weight will be 4. Now here is the description. We will change the color, this one. Okay, here is the image. We will change the image size into 300. Okay, now we will go to the item. We will make it center. We can do something, go to the list, the description typography. We can add some letter spacing. Okay, and the font weight will be 300. Okay, it's looking nice for now. Now we will go to the content. We will duplicate this one. Now we will go to another one. We will change the image like this one. Change the title to. Then we will go to the third one. This one will be 3. And we will change the image, this one. Okay, now we will copy this one and paste it to here, and we will change the images from here, this one. And this one. Okay, now we will add some space between those columns. Click this one, advanced, unbind this, and write 50 pixel. And this one, advanced, unbind this, left 50 pixel. Okay. This way we can create a nice pricing list. If we go to the tablet mode, we will see our pricing list is broken here. We will solve this now. Click this column icon and make it 100%. At the right of this item we have 50 pixel margin. We will remove it. Just unbind this, the margin will be gone. Okay, now this one we will make it 100%. Okay, here is 50 pixel margin. We will remove it. Just click the unbind. Okay, now it's also looking great in tablet mode. Now we will go to the mobile version. It's looking like this, so awkward in phone. How can we fix this? We will click the column icon, go to the advanced padding, we will click the unbind. Okay, then we will go to here, style, the heading and price typography. We will make it 14 pixel and the letter spacing 0. Now we will go to the description typography, the font size 12 pixel and the letter spacing 0. Okay, we will go to the item and we will make it top. This way we can fix this. Okay, now we will click here and copy, and we will click here and paste the style here. Okay, so this problem is already solved. Now go to the tablet mode. Okay, it's looking great on tablet. Desktop, it's looking also great on desktop. Alright, so this is it for now. If you want to know about all the details of other Elementor Pro widgets, I have a complete tutorial on that. I will put that link in the description also. If you want to learn how to create a website from scratch using Elementor or Elementor Pro, you can check out other full website creation tutorials. I will put these links in the description as well. And if you need any professional help regarding Elementor, WordPress or e-commerce, from small minor fixing to a complete website creation, you can contact through our website. Just go to the heywordpress.com and click to the Make My Website button. It will fly you to this page you might be searching for. Here is a simple form, just fill it up and click to the Submit Request button. We will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. See you soon.